Do you dream of a life where money comes in even when you're not actively working? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 passive income ideas that require little money to get started. As the saying goes, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Don't be one of those people. Tune in now and learn how to make passive income with low income. Welcome to the General Finance channel, where we're committed to helping you take control of your finances. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by credit card debt, unsure of how to create a budget, or intimidated by the world of investing? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with practical tips and insights on credit management, budgeting, and investing. We upload new videos 3 to 5 times per week, so you'll always have fresh and valuable content to help you achieve your financial goals. If you like what you see, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Let's start our journey to financial freedom together right here on General Finance. Idea number 1. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to earn passive income. While it's true that creating content requires effort and time, once your videos are uploaded, they can generate revenue for years to come. So, how do you make money on YouTube? There are a few ways to monetize your channel. One of the most common ways is through Google AdSense. This program allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your videos. The more views and clicks your ads get, the more money you make. YouTube takes a cut of your ad revenue, but it's still a great way to earn some passive income. Another way to make money on YouTube is through sponsorships and brand deals. As your channel grows, companies may reach out to you to collaborate on sponsored content. This can range from product reviews to sponsored videos. You can also reach out to brands you want to work with and pitch them on collaborating with your channel. Additionally, you can sell merchandise related to your channel. For example, if you have a channel about cooking, you could sell cookbooks or kitchen gadgets. This can be a great way to earn passive income and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Overall, while creating content for YouTube requires effort, it can be a great way to earn passive income. By monetizing your videos through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, you can earn money anytime someone watches your content. So if you have a passion or expertise that you want to share with the world, starting a YouTube channel may be a great option for you. Idea number 2. Leverage high-interest bank accounts. One of the best passive income ideas that takes little money is leveraging high interest from bank accounts. This is a great option for those who want to earn extra income but don't have a lot of money to invest. Here's how it works. Instead of keeping your money in a regular savings account, you can open a high-yield savings account that offers much higher interest rates. By doing this, your money can start working for you, earning passive income without you having to do anything. For example, let's say you have $1,000 in a regular savings account that earns 0.05% interest per year. That means you'll earn 50 cents in interest for the whole year. However, if you move that $1,000 to a high-yield savings account that earns 1.5% interest per year, you'll earn $15 in interest over the same period. That's a huge difference. Some examples of high-yield savings accounts include Ally Bank, CIT Bank, and Marcus by Goldman Sachs. These accounts typically offer interest rates that are much higher than traditional savings accounts, making them a great option for earning passive income with little money up front. So if you're looking for a simple and low-risk way to start earning passive income, consider leveraging high-interest savings accounts. Your money will thank you later. Idea number 3. Create an online course. Selling an online course is a great way to earn passive income because it has the potential to reach a large audience and can be created and sold by anyone. With the rise of e-learning, online courses have become a popular way for people to learn new skills or gain knowledge in various subjects. This presents an opportunity for entrepreneurs to create and sell their own courses. Creating an online course does not require any special qualifications or expertise. All that's needed is knowledge in a particular subject or skill and the ability to effectively teach that subject to others. With online course platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare, anyone can create and sell a course to a global audience. Another benefit of selling an online course is the ability to generate passive income over time. Once the course is created and marketed, it can continue to bring in sales and revenue without much additional effort from the creator. This is in contrast to other forms of active income such as freelancing or consulting, where the creator must continue to put in work to earn money. Creating an online course is also relatively cost-effective. All that's needed is a computer and internet connection to create and upload the course content. There may be some additional costs associated with marketing the course, but these can be kept low through social media marketing and other free or low-cost promotional methods. Idea number 4. Start a blog. Believe it or not, starting a blog can be a great way to generate passive income with little money up front. So how exactly does that work? Well, a blog can make money in several ways, such as through advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products or services. But before you can start earning from your blog, you need to put in some work. First, you need to choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about and that has a market demand. Then, you need to research and write high-quality content that provides value to your readers. This will help you attract an audience and build a following. Once you have a following, you can start monetizing your blog through various methods. For example, you can sign up for ad networks like Google AdSense, which will place ads on your site and pay you for each click or impression. You can also collaborate with brands to create sponsored content or join affiliate programs and earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. Of course, it's important to note that building a successful blog takes time and effort. You need to be consistent in creating and publishing content, as well as marketing your blog on social media and other platforms. But the good news is that all you really need to get started is a domain name and hosting, both of which are relatively cheap. Idea number 5, create an online store. Starting an online store is one of the most accessible passive income ideas in today's digital age. With the explosion of e-commerce, more and more people are turning to online shopping, creating a huge market for online businesses. One popular business model within the online store space is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a method of retail where the store owner does not physically hold the products they're selling. Instead, they purchase the items from a third-party supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. This means that the store owner does not have to worry about inventory management, packing, or shipping the products themselves, making it a low-cost and low-maintenance business model. One of the biggest advantages of dropshipping is the low startup cost. With traditional retail businesses, you would need to invest a significant amount of money into inventory and a physical storefront. With dropshipping, all you need is a website and a supplier who will fulfill orders on your behalf. Another benefit of dropshipping is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, and you can easily scale your business up or down depending on demand. Plus, you have the ability to offer a wide range of products without having to hold inventory, giving you the opportunity to experiment with different product niches and markets. Idea number 6, start an ad agency. One of the biggest advantages of starting an ad agency is its hands-off business model. With the rise of digital marketing, businesses are in constant need of professionals to handle their online presence. As an ad agency owner, you can offer services like social media management, search engine optimization, and pay-per-click advertising to businesses in need. Once you've established a client base and hired a team of experts, you can step back and let your agency run itself. But that's not all. An ad agency can also be a scalable business model. As you grow your client base and expand your team, you can also expand your services. For example, you could start offering website development, graphic design, or even video production. The possibilities are endless. So how do you get started with an ad agency? The first step is to identify your niche. What kind of clients do you want to work with? Are you interested in working with startups or established businesses? Do you want to specialize in a particular industry? Once you identify your niche, you can start building your portfolio and website. You'll need to showcase your previous work and demonstrate your skills to potential clients. Of course, starting an ad agency isn't without its challenges. You'll need to have a solid understanding of marketing and advertising principles, and you'll need to be able to sell your services to potential clients. But with the right strategy and approach, it's a great way to build a profitable, scalable, and entirely passive income stream. Idea number 7, sell an ebook. Selling ebooks can be a great way to earn passive income. Here are some of the benefits. First, ebooks can be created on any topic you're knowledgeable about. Whether it's cooking, fitness, personal finance, or anything else, there's a market for it. Plus, you can create multiple ebooks on different topics to increase your earning potential. Second, ebooks have a low overhead cost. Once you create the content, there are no printing or shipping costs. This means the profit margin can be very high. So what do you need to create an ebook? All you really need is a computer and the expertise on the topic you're writing about. You can also hire a professional editor or graphic designer if you need help polishing your content. Once you have your ebook ready to go, you can sell it on various platforms like Amazon or your own website. Marketing your ebook is important to get it in front of potential buyers. Social media, email marketing, and targeted advertising are all effective ways to promote your ebook. Remember, creating an ebook can take time and effort, but it can pay off in the long run. It's a great way to turn your expertise into passive income. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead and start writing. You've made it to the end of learning about these 7 passive income ideas that require little money to start. With the right mindset and strategies, it's possible to generate additional streams of income without breaking the bank. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. So whether you're looking to supplement your income or create a full-time passive income stream, there's an option out there for you. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So take action today and start planting the seeds of your financial future. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on the General Finance channel. We hope you found it informative and valuable. Remember, we'll be posting new videos on the channel 3 to 5 times per week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And don't forget, we want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Is there a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video? Let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep building that financial savvy, and we'll be here every step of the way to help you on your journey to financial freedom.